It's a 2009 Acura TSX. This TSX is a case study in luxury, agility, and sportiness. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its strong performance, confident handling, comfortable seating, and chock full of the latest high-tech features. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.